Hello guys, this is Suhail Raman from I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video. Today's video is about Aqua Action stand show in Global Village. This is the Global Village. Just look at guys, the creativity. Actually it look like that Moscow of Russia, but I didn't go. I saw it in the photos, pictures. It's similar like this. You can see now. You can compare. Just see it's changing the color, the lights color in every second. And this is actually started this Global Village when 1997. So this is the 27th season is running, and it's open for only from the October end to until April end. So and it's open for only the evening, like 4 o'clock afternoon, 4 o'clock to midnight. If you come here on the spot, so you have to pay 22.50, or if you buy online, if you book it on online, so you can book it for 21 dirham. So 1.5 you can save, and you can save your time also if you buy online. And I'll make a video about the Global Village, whole Global Village next time, not now. Actually today I come only for the stand show. So this is the entrance and that is the exit point. So guys, let's go inside for the stand show. Every day there is a 3 show. First one is the 6:05 p.m, second one is the 7:35 p.m, and third one is the 9:05 p.m. I'm going with the 7:35 p.m. And there is the ticket counter, or you are getting the ticket only on the spot. For a stand show you cannot get ticket on online. 2 types of seats are there. The one is the standard and second one is the Premier Star. I'm going with the Premier Star seat. The show is on.
Stand by everyone, and lights. Roll cameras, rolling, sound speed, artist, and action. Okay, give me the lights! Perfect! Roll cameras! Rolling sound speed, market. Audience, don't get the gas when you see the sign. No, not yet. Pretty plays and action!
Want to get a coffee later? Hello, Slate. Coffee. Thanks. 2 sugars. Slate? You're not even listening to me. I see. It's never gonna happen, my friend. Never gonna happen.
What? But you winked at me earlier and touched my shoulder.
No. Quick, we must inform the papers.
Ha ha ha.
Wow, love the bicycle. Action! Ready to change the colors and cue.
When the moon hits your eye like a
Slate?
pizza pie, that's
Slate! What are you doing? Slate! Okay, we'll get it on the next pass. Okay, so let's reset. Everyone back up 1, 2, 5. Your art's really cute. We're trying to shoot a movie here. Ready? And action!
Yes, boss.
Everybody safe? Oh, let's hear it for our fire diver! Wow! Great job! Great job! Oh, nice. Wow, Kevin! Yeah! I have to do everything myself.
That makes 2 of us.
Positions, everyone. It's time to roll the credits. First up, it's Christian Roscoe. Yeah. Now eyes up to the dive tower. We have dogs from the USA and Fanny from Portugal. Eyes in the skies. Here come the bikers. It's Maravilla from Chile and Alex from Australia. Wow. And your director. And you, we watch it. Action Stunt Show! Woo!
Guys, this was the video about the stand show. I hope you people enjoyed. I really enjoyed. So let me know with your wonderful comments, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends. So see you with the next video in the some other places. Until that time, stay safe, stay healthy. So ভালো থাকবেন সবাই। আশা করি আপনারা সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, আপনাদের ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথেও শেয়ার করবেন, তাদেরকেও বলবেন সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে, আর আপনাদের কমেন্টসের মাধ্যমে জানাবেন আজকের ভিডিও কেমন লাগলো। সো দেখা হবে অন্য কোনো প্লেসে। ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।